Hi guys, this is Chet here from Avion Technology here in the Chicagoland area. We are a digital agency that works with other digital agencies, and we also help a lot of small businesses scale up. One of the other things we do is actually we do Salesforce implementations. So what is Salesforce? Salesforce is a CRM, client relationship management, customer relationship management. So what is a typical client who comes to us for a Salesforce implementation? Usually they're a small business, they've been in business for the last 20 years, 10 years. They're seeing some signs of growth, but their sales is extremely disorganized, right? How disorganized can it be? I've worked with a business where they still had a Rolodex, right? And everything was still paper-based. So all their clients were actually in like a diary, like a moth-eaten, dog-eared kind of a diary, and they would actually physically flip the pages to find the name of a customer, right? The second model that I have seen is that usually there's a nephew who's done CS 101, he's brought into the business and he starts using Excel sheets or Google Docs, and that's where all the information is kept, right? Both of these models are wrong. You know why? Because they're person dependent, right? If your aunt, unfortunately, is I don't want to say no longer in this world, but if your aunt, unfortunately, if she decides to get retired, right, then essentially your sales department doesn't have any information. Or if your nephew decides to become a rock star, then unfortunately you don't have anyone who can give you the requisite information. So what do? That's when you need Salesforce, or that's when you need a CRM. Usually with CRMs, I would say that if your business is over $1 million, but even like over $500,000 in annual revenue, you definitely need a CRM system, right? This is the marketing funnel, right? You have awareness on top, then you have consideration, then you have conversion, then you have action, and then you have loyalty, right? So there's 5 aspects to the awareness, to the marketing funnel, right? Awareness is when you're creating awareness about your brand. You're just putting your brand out there using social media, using email campaigns, using all these digital campaigns, right? So CRM tools help you with that, right? Second is considerations. Consideration is when you actually get a user on your website. Consideration is when someone actually comes to your location to consider whether they want to buy your product or service or not. So that's typically what we call a lead, right? These guys are perfect for lead management. Next is conversion. Conversion is when a lead actually closes, right? A lead actually signs the dotted line, right? So it's leads, opportunities, negotiations, closure. Again, CRM tools help you keep a track of that. Next is action and loyalty. I think the biggest thing about CRM tools, at least this is what I have found, is the loyalty aspect, right? In today's day and age, when the market is so competitive, when everyone's trying to get to your business, everyone's trying to increase their market share, customer loyalty is becoming more of a lost art, and it's becoming more and more fragile. In times like these, the best way to make sure you have those touch points with customers and make sure you're reaching out to them and staying on top of their consciousness is by a CRM. So CRM is not just about keeping all your sales contacts, right? It's not just about keeping all your contacts. It's about all these different touch points that you have with them, and then you keep a history of a record of all those touch points. Ultimately, the more organized your sales team is, the better they're going to perform. Salespeople like to sell. Salespeople don't like to do paperwork. If you keep your salespeople busy in paperwork, trust me, they're not going to go out and sell. So make their life easy. Get a CRM system, and make sure that your sales team can perform to its capabilities. Here at Avion, we do Salesforce implementations, so I'd love to assist you with that. If you've liked the content, press like. If you would like to subscribe to our channel, please do that. Avion Technology, northwest suburbs of Chicago. This is my email, this is my phone number. Love to hear more from you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.